Markup Hero is a powerful tool for taking screenshots, adding annotations, collaborating, and easily sharing with others. In this video, we're going to take a screenshot with the Markup Hero desktop app for Mac. So let's start by installing our desktop app. First, go to markuphero.com and click on Download. We have a desktop client for both the older Intel chips and the newer M1 and M2 chips. Choose the one that matches your Mac processor. After downloading the installer file, locate it on your computer, usually in the Downloads folder, and click Install. After installation is complete, run Markup Hero from your Applications folder or by pressing Command plus Spacebar. Confirm by clicking Open. Depending on your OS, you'll be prompted with a help screen showing you how to set permissions. Once installed, you'll notice the Markup Hero icon in your taskbar. When you click it, you will see three options: Screenshot and Markup. This is the one you'll use every day, all day. Click it to take a screenshot of a specific area on your computer screen. Upon clicking, you'll see a crosshair show up. Drag your mouse to select the area you want, then left-click to snap it. You can also choose to take a screenshot of a specific window by pressing the spacebar. Clipboard Screenshot. This is a really handy way to snap a screenshot and copy it to your clipboard instead of opening it up in Markup Hero for Annotations. This is most useful when you simply want to copy and paste something into a document, email, or messaging app, but don't need to add annotations. It's also very useful for creating multiple pages in existing markups like this. New Markup and History. This is a quick way to open your browser to the Markup Hero New and History page. From here, you can see all of your past markups, edit them, and upload images or PDFs to start new markups that way. Don't forget, there are hotkeys for each of these options. You can change them, but by default it's Command plus Shift plus 1 for screenshot and markup, Command plus Shift plus 2 for clipboard screenshot, and Command plus Shift plus M for new markup and history. You can start using the desktop app immediately with no account or payment, but you'll want to at least create a free account so that your markups are saved for future editing and sharing. Once you've created a new markup with any of these options, you're ready to start annotating, sharing, and collaborating. Check out the link at the bottom of this help page for more information on how to troubleshoot installation. Then take a look at the next how-to videos to learn more about Markup Hero.